Boom. Dude, this video is like, the background is freaking perfect. Yeah, dude. I just got close to the ducks and now they're mad at me because I got close to the ducks. So they're like, "Why you get so close to me?" And they got kind of mad. Yeah, I didn't even like, dude, I was like 10 feet away from the ducks, man. And like they got kind of mad, man. The geese, man. You like looking up at this. Hear him? You hear that guy? Alright, anyways, man. Quick mukbang. Ordered the jalapeno double burger, $2.49, $2.73 after tax. Out the door, $2.73. Got 2 ranch right here. Clean background, dude. Ooh, damn. Dude, the trees look so nice in the back. Ooh. Nice little package it came in. Came with a little special sticker. Let me show you guys the burger, man, real quick. Look at this burger, bro. Ooh, bomb burger. This is my favorite one, man. Look at that. Damn, danky dang. Bomb. Bust open this ranch right here, man. I'm gonna tell you guys a little story, man. After I take another bite. Bro, these goose, dude, they're mad, dude. When I wasn't here, they were cool, dude. But as soon as I got close to them, they got really mad. Goose, man, they know something. Oh, the dog! The dog just chased the goose. Alright, anyways, guys, the story that I'm gonna tell you guys is this table right here. This table, I used to spend a lot of time here in high school. When I was in high school, I used to like ditch school, man, like a bad kid, and I would sit at this table for some reason, man. And I always liked this table, man, because the view is so nice, and I always felt so alone, you know. And pretty much, yeah, I would just, let me show you guys. I would always ditch class and sit here, a little kid, and you know, sometimes like I'll kind of just like blaze, dude, and I would get in trouble, man. I would ditch like multiple days of school in a row, and this is exactly where I would sit. I have no clue why, but yeah, I always liked this table. It was a cool table. Anyways, it's just a table. It's okay. Enjoy this mukbang. Dude, this burger's so good, man. Everything's so clear. Dude, I'm so thankful for this burger, man. Because without this burger, that means that I won't have food. So I'm really thankful, and I really appreciate God, man. God is scary, man. God's so scary, man. And I'm just so thankful that that I have this burger, man, because it just makes life so much better, man. When I eat food, it just makes everything better. You know, I hope you guys enjoy me eating, and just keep on listening, and keep on enjoying life, and yeah, enjoy this other half. The last half of the burger. Oh. Now the geese are not mad. They're just waiting. You know, just cuddling. The goose they went to the island, and they're just hiding in the island now. I don't know what they're doing in there.